Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today, it's back. What is it? It's this. Our old friend, pumpkin spice flavor cup noodles from Nissin Foods. Some people absolutely hated this stuff. I, for one, found it amazing. But I'm gonna do something today. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make some bread. Yep, more bread. So, hold on to your butts, here it comes. Well, here it is. Let's tip it out and see what happens. Doesn't look too bad. A little split on one side, but generally it looks like it behaved pretty well. Unfortunately, I really don't have anything to do anything for it. I don't have any syrup. I have eggs, but if I was going to make French toast, I'd need syrup too. So I think we can just cut it open and see what it looks like. Look, it's kind of spirally. I was really hoping it'd be more spirally, but it's not. But let's cut off a slice. Yeah, look at that. I put a lot of sugar in it, so the bread should have some decent flavor. A lot of nutmeg, a lot of cinnamon. So let's give the bread part a try. Good. Kind of has a cinnamon raisin kind of thing going on. But what about the noodle? That's pretty good. It's sweet. It's funny because this time trying around the pumpkin spice noodle, I'm tasting other elements in it. I don't know if it's because I got them in October. It says they're good till next October, but they've been sitting for over 6 months. And I'm noticing more of, they actually have garlic in them. And I'm noticing that aspect of it, strangely enough. But yeah, this would make interesting French toast. What am I gonna do with this though? I don't know. I'll have to arrange it nicely and do something that way. But first, look at that. It's a little pizza. So my wife's doing the gluten-free thing, and we have gluten-free flour, and I made pizza dough in the bread machine last night. Tonight I'm making more pizza dough as an esteemed colleague is coming over, and we're gonna make white curry pizza, so you might see that. I don't know. I'll probably record that. I don't know. Well, let's do something with this. Well, that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this bread came out surprisingly well. It tastes good and it's nice. So, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your bread each and every day. Have a good one.